Oh, good morning folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. Those that don't know me, my name's John. Well, we're here in Stratford-upon-Avon this weekend. It's only going to be a short little video just to catch up with you. If you're down here in Stratford, nip across and have a chat with us if you want. You're welcome to come along, grab a cup of tea, have a bit of a chat. We've got our stickers with us if you want some stickers. We got here on Thursday afternoon. The weather's not been too good. It was very cold here yesterday and it's rained all night long, and we forgot that when the water runs off the roof it's got a tendency of dripping on the bumper, so it's rained all night and it's kept me awake. So it's now 10 to 6 in the morning and I'm wide awake. Carol's still in bed, and sod's law, now I'm up and wide awake. We've got beautiful bright sunshine now and it stopped raining, so que sera. Yeah, well, that's about it really. Like I said, we're here in Stratford. Hopefully we'll be able to get some video up during the week. We were at VanFest 2 weeks ago, and I'm sorry to say Carol and I won't be getting going again. It's got too commercialised, and not only that we paid to go into the disabled area, and when we got there we was told we were too long to get into the disabled place for some reason. So we was put up in the general parking area, and then we was told we could where to park, which was handy for us. It was easy enough to walk into the activities, because I'm still on crutches of course. Then we was told to move. We explained to the lady that we was told we could park there, and she said no, you got to move further down the field. So we packed up, moved down there. Half hour later she come back and said, sorry, but you're going to have to move again. I said, look, I'm disabled, I need to be able to get into the activities. And she says, well, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to park over the far corner. So in the end, we're right at the bottom of the general parking area, almost in the bottom corner, furthest point away from all activities. So by the time we walked around the first day, I couldn't walk far after that. And on Saturday we struggled across to the entertainment night, and within an hour we had to come back. My ankle was playing up too much. So we've decided that we won't be going there again. It's a shame because the last year's was brilliant, but the show, the entertainment was good, but everything was too commercialised, and you know what price of food and stuff is at these fetes. It was ridiculous this time. You know, £3 for a coffee, £2.50 for a small cup of tea. It was ridiculous, you know, just not worth the hassle. So, and what makes the kibosh on the weekend is that Carol did all the filming, and we believe it was a memory card. It was dodgy. We got audio, but just still photo with it. So unfortunately we can't share much video on that one at all. You know, the only bit I got was my drone flight. But that's it really, that's where we are today. So like I say, if you're down here in Stratford, come across and have a chat, a cup of tea, and we'll hopefully see you here. If not, well, take care, stay safe, and of course happy travelling, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.